Well, good morning. You have exactly 2 weeks, minus a couple hours, to complete your PhotoStory project. And this is a pretty intensive project because it involves a lot of planning, much more planning than PowerPoint, and involves a lot of technology, much more technology than the PowerPoint. Okay, so you really need to have your idea by now. If you haven't come up with a good idea yet, what you could do is you could look at the examples in item 6.4 in the learning module. I think that would be very helpful. And then you can look at the discussion, item 5.5, preparing for your major assignment. There are already some terrific ideas there, and I want to see your own ideas there very, very shortly because I'm going through these every day to see what you all are thinking. So you need to get your ideas down there right away. Don't delay on that, okay? You need to get your idea out there. You need to get some feedback from your peers, and you need to get some feedback from me. There are quite a few good ideas there already, okay? So basically, to begin this project, you would probably want to look at the student examples, as I said, on item 6.4, and then look at items 6.1 and 6.2, which are the criteria for the assignment, and the rubric for the assignment. And then, as I said, the examples are item 6.4. Okay, so start with looking at the project description, item 6.1, then look at the grading rubric, item 6.2, then look at some of the student examples, item 6.4, look at some of the ideas that are item 5.5, get your own ideas in there, and then right now, if you want, you could go to item 6.9. There's already a terrific video already in there, a finished project that's certainly going to get an A or A+. The bar has already been set for this class. It's about a soldier leaving for Iraq, about a deployment. Okay, so go ahead and look for that. That one's by Rachel Strasser. It's a terrific, terrific video, and it's very equal to any of the other A's that I've ever given in recent semesters in this class. Okay, so be sure to take a look at that, and that'll really kind of tell you where we're headed, what I'm looking for an A+ project in this class. So 2 weeks. Studio M, for those of you who live close to campus, 2 weeks is, Studio M is available to help you with the technology. They're familiar with this project over there. And they can help walk you through the storyboarding and actually how to actually import the pictures into whatever software that you use. There's free software available if you just go down to the table of contents. This is one of those units where it really behooves you to pay attention to the learning module very, very carefully. There's some other items in here that I want you to learn. All right, there are other discussions that you need to be involved with, and they all sort of come together to help you make a really, really good photo project, okay? There's also a quiz at the end of this unit. I'm always a little surprised when students miss the quiz. Let me see if I can find it. I know it's there someplace. It's a quiz on portrait photography, which is really, really fun. So I'll make sure that's there. That'll be open shortly if it's not already open. So please don't miss the quiz. If you have any questions, be sure to get a hold of me. As I said, this is an intensive unit. Okay, so get her done. Get her done. Get her done. Get in contact with me if you're having any issues whatsoever.